Hello, hello, hello. How are you this evening? Yes, I trust you're doing well. I trust you're doing great. Yeah, today is day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas trading. Yeah, that's it. And we started yesterday. And I tell you, we've started getting our wins. Put your hands together as we see that we've started. Our trades have started executing. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm so grateful to God for that. Anyways, please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Just type it in the comments. I'll be checking with my other device to be sure that you can hear me. Yeah, welcome. I can hear us. I can see that we're all coming into the room. Let me check. Let me check my voice level. Can you hear me? Oh, yes, I think I can hear myself. Just want to be sure that you can also hear me. All right, so that's good. We're not going to waste time today. We want to look at what is going on in the trading space and what is happening in the market. Yes. As you come in, don't forget to say hello and also give this live stream a like. Okay. Yes, that's it. So now I'm going to begin to take you into what has happened to our trades. Remember that yesterday we actually, we placed two trades. Okay, we placed NTRN, which I'm currently on the page right now, but it hasn't executed. So let me go show you. Let me go show you how it has been. Remember that this was one of the trades we took in faith. We actually we actually took a chance on this trade because all the other parameters were fine except the fact that the last candle, right? It was not a pumping candle. It had a little wick on it, but it had potential. So this was what happened. We set our sell limit to 0.59, but it's actually touched 0.5945, but it didn't get executed. Now, for what reason? I do not know. So let's go quickly into the convert section to go check, yes, what exactly happened. This is convert limit that we're going to check. We're checking convert limit and then we'll see it's still here. We actually set 0.59, but it hasn't executed yet. So we will be hoping that very soon it will execute. Like I told you, Binance will prioritize the spot trading section before the convert limits. So that must be the reason why. If it was in the spot trading section, we would have seen this trade already, execute at 0.59. That's it, but it hasn't. So let's go back and let's go see the one that's giving me some good joy right now. Let's quickly go and see what exactly has happened to TKO. Yeah, look at TKO. TKO has executed. TKO has executed. It executed sometime today around the early evening. That was when it executed. So we could say that maybe it took about 18 hours for it to execute. And I always tell people that, you see, trading is a patience game. It's not like you put it in there right now and then it executes in the next few minutes. Of course, we have trades that execute on the live stream. We have trades that execute within minutes, right? But you must be ready to be patient. Remember that trading is a patience game. You must remember that. So let's go check what happened to the charts. Can you see it? Look at it. It went all the way to 0.75. Remember that when we follow all the rules, we have the propensity of achieving our aims. Remember that, because this one followed the rules completely. We checked on the last, the candle, and it was pumping. It was actually level before we took that trade. Everything was right. The RSI was right. The SAR was right, and of course the last candle was also right. Of course it had a little bit of a pullback. You can see it had a pullback here, but then it now started running all the way up today, as you can see. So this was a good trade. Let's calculate how much we have made. So we'll go back. Let's go back into the trade section and look at how much we made. Look at it. You can just quickly see it. Remember, this is 100.64, but that's not what we're going to look at. It was actually 125 we had for our trading capital. We spent like $50, and then one trade has executed. Right, as you can see that one trade has executed here. So we're going to look at the trade history. Let's look at the trade history so that we know exactly how much we spent and calculate based on that. So we spent 24.97. Please look at that. That's the amount we're going to use to calculate 24.97. And the amount of money, let me go back into convert section. The amount of money we made, we'll look at, the trade history. The amount of money we made was, we made 25.55. So we're going to use that to calculate and look at what is our profit potential. So let's go over to our calculator and then calculate that. Don't forget, we got 25.55. We spent 24.97. All right. So let's look at that quickly. Let's quickly look at that. So what we have here is that we have 25.55 minus 24.97. All these calculations are very important. So we made 58 cents. Okay. Remember that we spent 24.97. Okay. And remember that we have to also put a fee. We have to subtract the fee that was taken, from the, what's it called now, from the spot trading section, because 0.1% will be taken. And that's like about, what would that be? All the calculations. I think that will be 0. Yeah, let's see. We're going to remove like about 0.25. It's not up to 0.5. Yeah. Do you understand? Yeah. So we 0.05, 0.25. All right. So I can even remove, let's just even say I remove 3 cents, 0.03. So I'm left with 0.55. I hope you understand that. So we'll just go in there. How you know is that if you want to calculate it, look at it. 25, right, times 0.1%, right? So it's 0.025, but let's just even extrapolate and round up to 0.03. Okay. So if I go and do this, and we had 58 cents, so which was 0.58 minus 0.03, we're left with 55 cents. I hope you understand that now. So our profit is 55 cents. So how do we now go with this? We go back and we look at the 24.97, and then we multiply it by, let's even say we took 2%. It's not up to that. So we actually got like 2 point, just a moment. Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Yeah. So that's 2.25. Oh, that's a lot. That's not enough. Or let's just say 2.22. Yes, 2.22% is just fine. As you can see here, that is the profit we made. So we made a 2.2% profit from the TKO trade. I hope you can see that very well. Okay, let's get back into our trading. Today we're going to take some trades because we've got some money to spend. Okay, let me check. Is anybody saying something inside of the chat? If you have any question or you want a recap of what happened, let me know. So let me go back into the spot trading section. So this is the recap. We have made 2.2% profit. We made 55 cents on our TKO $25 trade. Okay, so that's just a quick summary of this TKO. So that's actually the first trade that has executed on this our 12 days of trading. Yeah, so a question came up within the course of the day. Just a moment, please. I want to try and look at something. All right, so there was some noise being made, so I hope you can hear me clearer now. So a question came up within the course of the day. Somebody was asking me that, why are you using the convert section? What is the reason why you're using the convert section? So I wanted to explain today so that we can all understand the reason. Okay, just a moment. I just want to explain why we are using the convert section. Now, you don't necessarily have to use the convert section. Please realize that. You don't have to use the convert section. You can use the spot trading section for all your trades. The reason why I'm using the convert section to do the sell limit is because I wanted to pick up the entire amount. I don't want to leave any change, right? I don't want to leave any change inside of the spot trading section at all, especially when you're picking trades like, maybe things are like more than 10 cents, maybe like about, see, this one is even 71 cents. So you want to be sure that it will pick up everything. So in convert, it will pick up the entire amount. But in the spot trading section, it will leave some change. So because of that, I always like to do my sell limits in convert because it will pick up the entire thing. I hope that's clear. But if, for instance, your coin is less than 5 cents, you may not bother. You can still do it in the spot trading section. It wouldn't really leave that much. I hope that makes it clear to understand. Okay, let us keep on going. So we're gonna go back because right now we're gonna have to wait for NTRN. NTRN is not it has not yet popped open. So let's go back and see what's going on with BTC. BTC is going up. Yeah. So when BTC is going up, we know that we have an opportunity to, get trades that will be going up and going and increasing as we go, right? And that gives us a better opportunity, right? So let's take a look at some other coins. Some other coins that we're going to look at will help us to see what we're going to do today. So we're going to go back to gainers. Let's quickly go to gainers, which is my favorite go-to. Yeah. So go to gainers and then we'll check out the different ones that we have and see whether we can take a couple of trades tonight, because you can see everywhere is green. So that means that should give us more opportunities, right? When we have greens, we should have more wins. Oh my God, I just made it rhyme. Greens will lead to wins. What do you think about that? Yeah. Welcome, people. I can see you all. Thank you so much for joining. This is Income Strategies, where you'll learn how to make money, multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yes. Please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Of course, you can also send me a Christmas gift by giving me a super chat. That will be awesome. Thank you very much. Okay. I thank you in advance already. Okay. So let's keep on going. Let's open the first one. Velodrome. What's that? I don't know what that name is. It just came out a couple of hours ago. Imagine, this is going to be under new listings. I'm always weary of taking new listings because, oh my God, it can start crawling after a while. So for me, I'm just going to look at it from a distance, and it doesn't even fit the bill because look at it. Look at it. Look at the SAR. The SAR is just on top. So forget about it. Forget about it. Let's keep on going, right? So as you can see here, right, this is not going to work for us. Let's check Firo. What's happening to Firo? Firo, interesting. Firo is not working, my people. It's not working. Let's keep on checking. Remember how we did it yesterday? We have to keep on checking. What about UTK? UTK, it went through a whole huge dump. Look at UTK. UTK is not looking good. Let's keep on going. We would not take a trade out of pity. Like I tell you, you must be careful about your emotions, right? You can't take a trade because you feel like, oh, yeah. No. You must follow the rules. And what are our rules? First off is that the parabolic SAR has to be under. You can see it's under. Then we must see right now, okay, this is 61. It's not up to 65. It has to be 65 and above. So it has failed on the second leg. Now, the third leg is that the last candle must be a full candle, and as you can see, it is not a full candle. It's even coming after 4 red candles, so forget it. Forget it, right? Let's keep on going. WRX, I've taken that before. Oh, have I taken it before? It looks like something I've taken before, but I can't remember. I've taken so many coins, my people, so many coins. Too many for that matter. Oh my God, I'm just seeing that some people have been saying hi. I haven't seen it. Akim, hi, how are you doing? Someone says up NEPA. I have easy way of calculating my trading percentage. That's interesting. Hi, just joined from Uganda. Thank you very much for joining, William. Yeah, I understand. Akim, yeah, I mean, everybody should have their own ways of calculating their percentage. That's fine. Me, I'm very good at maths by the grace of God. So whatever I calculate, just accept it like that. Okay? We try our best. Whatever we cannot do, you can help us finish it up wherever you are. Okay? So let me keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. What about COS? COS, are you still here? Is COS still trading? Interesting. Let us see. COS is still here. What are you having here? Oh, well, it's at 78. Oh, naturally, I can see why it's going down. It ran up all the way. It probably went beyond 80, and now it's currently at 78. So, obviously, this ran beyond it ran beyond 80. You can see right now it's at 78. So that means it went all the way, ran beyond 80, and then probably began to drop. So obviously, this is already in reverse mode. You can even see that, the candle is practically a total reverse candle. So there's no need to go with that. It would have been a nice one if we were there probably earlier. It would have been nice. So let's click on view more and see how many more we can get. So I mean, we've checked the top 6 and we've seen that, yeah, even though they're pumping now, there's still some little problems with them. So let's keep on checking. Remember that we found TKO among the rest. So that's why I don't just leave it to the top 10 or the top 5. I keep on going all the way down because I'm sure to find something that can flow. So let's check PDA. Do you think PDA will work? Oh, no, 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 no. PDA is not good. Let's keep on going. What about MDT? Oh, I've taken MDT a number of times. Oh my God. MDT could have been good, but the last candle is not given. It's not given and it's at 61. So definitely will not try that. Let's keep on going. After MDT, we have REQ. Oh, REQ is not looking really bad. The only problem I have with it is that the last candle is not really working for me. The last candle is not working. And if I take this trade, it will be out of just taking a chance. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay. I have to learn and be very strict. I have to learn from NTRN. NTRN has not what's it called now, has not executed because we took it as a chance. I don't want to do that. Okay, so let's keep on going. We will check like about 10-15 more and see Viti. I've taken Viti before. It's been good. Oh, Viti doesn't look like as if it's that bad. Oh, the only problem is the last candle. Anyway, we all know that BTC just came out of its downturn, so that's the reason why we may be seeing this kind of thing. And 59, no, it doesn't work for me. I will not. So for some of us that are just joining for the first time, I may be wondering, how are we determining whether we will take this trade or not? I'm going to reiterate the 3 rules, okay? Please listen very carefully because these are the things I do and I'm sharing it with you, right? So let me look at CTXC. CTXC could have been good, but it's right now on a red candle. So let me just explain with looking at this particular chart. Now, I use 2 indicators, right? And I use the candle, 2 indicators plus the candle to determine whether I'm going to take the trade or not. So the first indicator I use is the SAR, this yellow dots you see here, this yellow dots. If I go to the bottom here and click on this thing called SAR, it clears off the dots. And if I put the SAR back, you see that there's the yellow dots. And it actually talks about the momentum of price. That means how it's moving, the energy of it's moving, the way it's moving with force, right? That's it. So anytime you want to take a trade, you must make sure that the SAR is under the candle, right? As it is right now. The second thing is that the next indicator is RSI, which is relative strength index. it should be 65 and above. It should not be less than 65. You can see right now, this does not fit the bill because it's 60. So we will not take it because we want to make sure that the strength of price is uniquely strong. So that's why we go with 65, between 65 and 79. Yeah. The third rule is that the last candle has to be green and it should be a strong candle, full, not with a wick on top of it. So those are my three rules, and I'm trying to be very strict with that. Being strict with it has given us one of our trades that has already executed. We took a trade. We took two trades yesterday. One executed before we came live today. So I want to follow my rules very, very strictly. All right. So after CTX, we have data. Data is not a bad one. It's just that the last candle, let me check what's going on with the RSI. 64.8, I could manage that, almost 65. But you see, anything you manage, you must also manage the outcomes. So so as you can see, the parabolic size under it, but it's still quite epileptic because you can see that the candle is going through a lot of suffering, and you can see the wick on top of it. So I will not in any way take it. Yeah, I will not in any way take it. So let's keep on going. I mean, we don't have to pick a trade if it doesn't. Oh, TKO is still good, but I don't think I want to take TKO. Auction, but our auction is 20. Oh, 20, not a bad one. Look at it, it's a full candle. It's almost, in practice, full. Okay, the parabolic starts. Okay, why not 78? Let's try it out. So we have there, this is auction. Let's try and see whether we can pick something, just a $25 worth. And then let's just put in 25 here. And let's see whether it will, let me see how much. Oh, it's not picking everything, but let's go with it. I want to make sure that we're currently at the right price so that we don't take less than what was $25. And then let's go with it and see how much we can take. Have we bought it? I think we have. I think we have bought it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We have bought it so fast. And you can see that that thing is rising up, right? Because we checked all the rules and it worked out. We are hoping that we can quickly get this executed. Let's check it out on the trade history. As you can see, how much did we buy? We were able to buy 20.69. How much worth? 24. Look at the amount we bought. 24.82. That's what we're going to use to calculate. So let's keep on going. We will definitely have to do this in convert because it's not going to pick up everything. If I pick up the sell, look, I'm back here. I want to show you something. If I pick up the sell, and let's go and see what has it gone back up? It's actually kind of like going up. How much did we buy it? I can't even remember. Let's go and find out how much we bought it. We bought it as 20.69. 20.69. Okay. So it's actually going up. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? So let me just put everything. Can you see that? We've made some little money. Have we made some money? Not really yet, because it's not picking up everything. So you can see what I'm talking about. It's not picking up the entire thing. I needed to pick up the entire thing. So it's not picking up the entire. I wanted to go. So let me go and do it in convert. I want to make sure it picks up everything, right? So that's auction. Let's go with auction. Where is auction? Let's try and find auction. Auction. Okay, great. So we're going to pick that and then we'll change that to USDT. Okay. So what we want to do is let's put in the max. It will pick up everything now. So you can see, can you see we've made some, I think we've made some little money. I'm not sure, we're close to making money. So now I want to change. What is this? Okay, yes, I'm going to change the amount that it comes as. Is at 20.68. Okay, if I make this 20.69, how much is that going to be? 20.69. Okay, oh, no. I want it to be 20.7. Let's make it 20.7. Let's see. It's still not going up. So let me see if I put this here. What's going on? It's like as if, okay, let me put that in here. 20.71. No, that's not what I want. Let me make it 20.8. Let me see. 20.8. No, it's still not working. 20.85. No, I think I have to make that maybe 21. Let me even see what 21 will give me. Let me see. Okay, 21. Okay, 21.2. Let's make it 25. I just want to be sure that we don't make it too much more, right? 28. Okay, this is exactly like 2%, okay? Let me just make it 29. Do I want to make it 29? Yeah, let's work with 29. That's not bad. So now we have this, and we're going to set our sell limit for 21.29. Now, what we were supposed to have done is we're going to check that right away now. So we're going to check that now. It has already done that, and it's already have auction in the tray here. It's going to give us 25.52, which is going to be slightly more than 2%, which is good. So let's go check, right? There's something I want us to see here. You can see this is likely definitely going to go up. But one thing we want to go and check was what is the high, the 24-hour high, right? Let's go and check the 24-hour high. The 24-hour high is what it is currently right now. So are we sure it will get there? Well, that's why we're doing this trading, my people. Yeah. So we're hoping that it will definitely shoot up high. If you check it, it actually toppled and went up here. Don't forget that what we bought it as, right? Let's go back and check what we bought it as. Let's check the trade history. The trade history of what we bought it as. Look at it here. Auction. We bought it as 20.69. That's the amount we bought it as. So immediately we bought it at 20.69. Look at what happened. 20.69 is already at 20.79. So we're currently in profit. Can you see that? We're currently in profit. See it. This is most likely going to execute very soon. Can you see what I'm showing you? It's going to go up high. In fact, I could just wait and it would actually probably execute. So, but I'm not going to wait. I'm not going to wait. I love this. Let me just take a screenshot of that. Yeah, I love the look of that. It's already, can you see it at 20.86? We bought it at 20.69. Can you see that? Let me check if anybody has said anything. Yeah, can you see what's going on here? Someone says, what did I miss? Yes, well, we just picked auction. We picked auction, and auction is climbing. Oh my God. And of course, just in case you don't know, TKO that we picked yesterday has already executed. Oh my God, this is climbing up. Do you think it's going to execute so soon? 20.88 is where we are right now. 20.88, guys. Look at it. Look at this. It's going to get to 21. What did we even say we want to get it as? Let me check. Let me check how much it's supposed to execute as. It's supposed to execute at 21.29. Okay, I guess we're still safe. Let's go check. What? Oh God, it's at 20.90, people. It's at 20.90. Okay, let me leave that. Let me leave it and go and check for another coin. Let's go and check for another coin in gainers. Don't forget that's auction. So after auction, what do we have? Let's check. Let's leave auction. Let's leave auction alone. You can see auction is 20.92. So it is going up, right? Guys, I hope you're learning something. I hope you're learning something. It's going up. It's at 20. Oh my God, it will go down, but it will keep on going up. All right, good. So the next one is BB. Let's see whether BB has something for us. Oh my God, it's looking lovely, but the SAR, the SAR is on top. Definitely not touching that. Not touching that at all. Let's keep on going. What about hard? Oh my God, hard. Why would somebody call a coin hard? Like, why? Maka, why? I definitely will not take it. You can see it's already showing itself. I am not taking it. Even it's at 64. It's not even at 65. Oh, let me see. We have somebody says here. Wilson says, do we need to set TP or SL, like take profit or stop loss? Now, in spot trading, let me show you something. In spot trading, we have OCO. Let me show you in the spot trading section. Where are we? Let me show you in the spot trading section. Let me just click on anyone. All right. Okay, we're still waiting for this. Let me just show you. Now, you can see here where you have limits. When you click on that, you will see a list of things, okay? Now, you can see this thing that says OCO. OCO means one cancels the other. That is the stop, take profit, the stop limit, the take profit, and the stop loss mechanism in spot trading. But the reason why I don't use it is because sometimes before the trade executes, it might actually go down a bit and then it will now start climbing up. It's normal. If a trade has been pumping, it will have a little drawback, a pullback after a while. But if I set an OCO, let me show you. If I set OCO where I put in stop loss, take profit, all those things, trigger points, stop limit, stop loss limit, all of those, if I put all of that here, it will cancel it and then I will lose my money. So I don't want to do that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that the option is here, but I don't use it. Okay, I still stick with my limit order because I believe it will actually execute sooner or later, right? So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. I hope that explains it. So we're going back to gainers. We've checked BB. Hard auction is back to 77. It will go up again. You will see that pump will happen again. REQ, I think we've checked REQ. We checked on cow. What happened to cow? Oh, cow is not good. Cow is not in a good shape. REQ, I think we've checked REQ. That's also not in a good shape. WAN, no way, not anything I would take. ERN, nah, not working. Even though you can see the red candle there, I would not take it. MLN, I just saw MLN. I've taken MLN before. MLN looks like it was good, but it's like currently in a red candle. Can you see that? Oh, 60. No, it's not working. It's not working. Yeah. Wilson says thanks. Thank you so much. So you can see right now we're trying to follow all our rules as much as possible. MLN is not working. BIFI. What about that? That's such a big amount of money, baby. I'm not taking that one. STPT. Oh, what's going on here? Yep. FIS. Usman says, Happy Christmas. Yes, Happy Christmas to you too. Yeah, we're doing Christmas trading here. What about mask? I don't think, is it anytime, if we're going lower, we will definitely not get good opportunities. So at this point, we will go back to the ones we have checked earlier. Where is our auction? Where's our auction? Auction has gone down a bit, no problems. It's having a little bit of pullback. It will gather some strength and push up again. All right, no problems. Don't forget, we set it as 20. It rose all the way. Look at where it rose all the way to. It went to 20.93. So it has the potential. It has the potential. So let's just leave it to do its thing. It will come back. So I want to go check the first set of ones we had. Velorum, no, I'm not doing it. Even though it looks good, but the parabolic size is still on top. So I'm not taking that one. Firo, that's the next one on top of it. No, it's not working. So we'll just look at 5 or 6 and then we'll just move on and then we call it a day. Yeah, we've picked one of the trades which is good, which fit what we wanted. Okay, Dego, I haven't seen Dego. Oh no, Dego is not working. Dego, is it Diego or Dego, whatever you are? PDA. I don't like the look of that. And it's at 62. So none of these coins are working. Maybe tomorrow might be a better day, right? Yeah, let me see what someone says here. Came late, madam. Let me see. I'm picking up how to use SAR, RSI, and last candle. Yeah, thank you very much. At least I'm glad that you've learned that. I'm glad you've learned that. It's just that, see, yesterday we had a very bad, peculiar situation because BTC was already in a dump mode, right? BTC was in dump mode yesterday. So, but it actually came out of the dump mode. It went up a bit. It came back down. So it's actually trying to break through. So we're currently in a range season. So even the other coins are trying to gather momentum. That's why you'll see that some of them are trying to come out of their range season. So I'm hoping that by tomorrow we will have more opportunities. That's what I'm hoping. And I can see that there will be a likelihood of that. So anyways, I hope you've enjoyed today's session. We will not take more than this. Let's go back and see what's going on with our trade. Well, it's at 20.42, but we will be back. Let's go check NTRN. Let's see what's going on with NTRN. We took that trade yesterday. Let's appreciating. a little bit, but still in the pullback mode, right? So we're hoping that tomorrow will be a better opportunity for us to take great trades. Meanwhile, our money is going up bit by bit, right? Don't forget, we started out with $125, and we're seeing how we'll do this. We have two trades currently in the convert limit section. Yes, as you can see here, two trades waiting to be executed, auction and NTRN. Anyways, thank you once again for watching. I don't know if you have any questions. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And of course, you can gift me a Christmas gift by giving me a super chat. Yes. If you want to give me a Christmas gift, just go ahead and hit that super chat and send something to your girl. Okay? Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow by 9 p.m. Bye.